Hey everybody, it's your girl Taisha Brown coming back at you. And today you see some stuff that you usually don't see on my channel, right? Well, today I'm going to talk about this product. I'm not sponsored or anything. This product called Colorstreet. And it's made in the USA for one, yay. And it is nail polish, 16, comes with the file, comes with a Colorstreet pad, and my friend who sells this also gave me some things to overlay on top of some of my nails. So basically, this particular product is nail polish, the top coat, base, everything all in one. And you can apply it at home and do your own nail salon quality. We all know right now that we are living in times that are much different than anything we've ever imagined. And a lot of people are having to pivot. We can't go to the salons, etc. So people are having to pivot. So my friend April Cobb, who is a trained nail technician, has operated her own business before, and just in the nail arena. She's very talented, also an educator. She is one of the most empowering individuals that I know. She's always utilizing her skill set and her crafts to help others, and particularly women and girls. She has taught girls how to become licensed hair braiders, nail technicians, etc. She utilizes her gift for the greater good of all and empowering our women and children. So I just love her, and I will put down her link to her particular site. It's called Hands of Distinction. She is a distinct individual, so it's Hands of Distinction. I will put down a link to her Colorstreet so you can get some wonderful colors. There's different types. You can get your own. And also put a link to her Facebook group, Hands of Distinction. She's a very, very knowledgeable person. As I said before, she empowers women, girls, and she's about doing the right thing in our community. So I just love business women, or women in general, that empower others. We're not here to put folks down. We're here to uplift and empower. And we can only do that as a sisterhood. So, you know, I'm all about sisterhood and empowerment. So check her out, April Cobb. So I'm just gonna get at it, guys. I've never done this before. This is my first time, so I figured, hey, I'm gonna let my YouTube family in on this. pretty good? I think so. I think it looks pretty good. Yes, honey. See these? Y'all, what y'all think? Ooh. Took me 32 minutes to do this. Love it. Big fan.